Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your funding strategy with AngelList, detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your funding strategy with AngelList, begin by logging into your AngelList account. Navigate to your profile section. Review your current funding strategy details. Identify areas that need adjustment or improvement. Go to the Invest tab to explore various funding options available. Research the profiles of successful startups that have raised funds recently. Analyze their funding strategies and investor engagement. Access the Raise Money feature to see how it can align with your revised strategy. Create or modify your funding round details according to your new plan. Set clear goals for the amount you aim to raise. Engage with potential investors through the platform. Personalize your outreach to ensure you're connecting with the right people. Consider leveraging AngelList syndicates for wider reach. Evaluate your pitch materials for clarity and impact. Update your pitch based on insights gained from competitor analysis. Solicit feedback from trusted mentors or advisors on your updated strategy. Keep track of investor interactions to maintain relationships. Assess your progress regularly to ensure you're on track with your goals. Be open to adjusting your strategy further based on feedback and results. Utilize AngelList's analytics tools to measure engagement and interest. Stay updated with platform changes or new features that can enhance your strategy. Remember, a flexible approach will allow you to adapt to the evolving investment landscape. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.